So welcome to the Coding Cookery. My name is Kai. Welcome to this new series called the Coding Cookbook. In this video series, we're gonna learn how to use the programming language P5.js. We're gonna use the programming language JavaScript and P5.js is a few extensions on top of it, but no need to worry about that. Let's start with the first tutorial here will be about drawing, and let's start. So we can draw stuff on. Draw stuff on. In P5 we draw on a canvas. Let me try this again. In P5 we draw on a canvas. The reason I'm doing that is because I wrote the drawing bad. I'm drawing a canvas. The canvas has an X and a Y. An X and a Y. X is the left and right position of, the point. Y is the up and down position. Okay, now what we need to do is, how are we gonna set the X and Y values? How are we gonna set it? Well, with these tick marks, first we should know right here is the X is 0 and the Y is 0. This is how we set coordinates. White coordinates out on a whiteboard. An open parenthesis, then a close an open parenthesis, the X, then comma, the Y, close parenthesis. X, Y. Oh my goodness, I'm writing this horrible. I'll come back. So that means right here was X0, Y0. First X, then the Y. So I'll put that here. Next, let's see. This is like a 10 by 10 width. So over here is 10, 10. It's like a way better thing. It's like 10, 10. X1, X10, Y10. Now, what is here? What is in the middle? Ugh. Now, in computer graphics, we have this concept of a pixel. And these really should be for every pixel in our canvas. But the canvas we're going to be working on for this is 400 by 400. But in this one, it's just 10 by 10. So what's the middle? So I guess the middle is here. Now, a pixel is a really small thing. So I'll just draw a tiny dot there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this pixel right here is 5, 5. No, okay, so it's all P5.js canvases 400 by 400. No, in fact, you can even change that. Sometimes there's 600 by 600. But we don't need to know that. We'll just keep 400 by 400. So, and I'm gonna rewrite this. And I'm gonna rewrite this. And that it is. And this is how we use how to position things in P5.js. It's how we know what position, you know. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that all down. Oh, that was a horrible idea. I'll redraw the canvas this time without the tick marks or the coordinate things. How do we draw a point on the screen? First, I'll give it to you straight. How do you draw a point? So this is how you draw a point in P5.js. But what does this mean? Point. Don't freak out and leave the video. It's point, then open parentheses and close parentheses, 200, comma 200 and a semicolon. Oh, this is horrible. No, this is not that bad actually. Point is the function. This is a function. Function. And what is this? It's a function name. Function name. That's horrible writing, but I'm keeping it. Function name. A function name. The point is the function name. So basically the point wants us to draw a point. Now that we have the function name, we have arguments, otherwise known as args for show. Arguments are the things we put in. All arguments go inside these open and close parentheses. And we separate arguments with comma. Now, what arguments are there in here? First is an X, and then a Y. This is the first argument, this is the second argument. Some things have even more arguments, like I know a function that's one that's 5, like something. I forgot, but it's a lot. But don't be scared of those. They're just they're one of the most useful things. So what will happen? Why did I choose 200 and 200? Remember, we're working with a 400 by 400 canvas, which means 200 by 200 is in the center. So I'm gonna cap my pen and then head on over here to the screen. Now, should we really tell you about the P5 web editor? This is the P5 web editor. It's at editor.p5js.org. So, this is what it will look like. You can barely see that text. But, you need to sign up, like here. It'll zoom in to show you. You need to sign up with a user account right here. But I already have an account, so I can just press log in. And this is my account, going quickly. And over there. So, notice I've changed some things in here. So I changed it to the font size 36. Now, that's all I did. The P5.js web editor free. The P5.js web editor is completely free, no money required. It's $0. Now let's type in our code. Wait! Where do we put our code? There's function setup. There's like function setup. Create canvas. Function draw. Background 254. and backbone 220. So first was create canvas. Create canvas is actually something you were asking about. At 7:01, someone asked about how all P5 bands canvas is 400 by 400. No! And I said no. You can change that right here and create canvas. If you don't want it to be like 400 by 400 pixels, you can change it there. But I'll leave it. Wherever you want to put all functions. So setup only does it once. Because you don't want to keep creating canvases every frame. So setup is where we put our setup code. Draw is where we put our drawing code. And our drawing screen code. And that's still going to open. Don't worry. So we just want to put all our drawing code in draw. I'm on caps lock, I'm sorry. Point 200. Oh wait, I forgot to talk about something. What's a semicolon for? Can you make a canvas that's 100 by 100, 1000 by 1000? You can, but it's not a good idea. What's the semicolon? It's just to let P5 know that you're done with the line. But anyway, let's go back to the screen and run our program. Save and run our program. One. Oh yeah, who's that? Like button that says I want to play my movie on my my old time I don't know, like DVD player. So we play that and I don't see a point. Where's the point? You gotta remember, points on by default 1 pixel. So the point is actually there. The problem is it's all the way there. Zoom in. I can zoom in for you. Oh no, zoom in the wrong place. So do you see that dot? That dot, the tiny dot. That's our point. What? Now this is not very good. I want to introduce you to another function. I'm gonna sadly erase my beautifully drawn diagram. Don't forget that dot. So, don't forget that there's a dot here. I just saw someone post in the chat. So, a new function is called this one only has one argument. Stroke rate only has one argument. So stroke rate, this is the size, so this changes the size of the outlines. The outlines, including outlines of shapes, but also points. So this, I'm gonna size. I'm drawing that long. Size. And that pretty much works, so it should work. So that's stroke, white, 10. Oh, there's a point! There's a dot! There's a dot! Can you gradually change the stroke rate as a line is drawn? What do you mean line is drawn? function for lines. Now, I want to say something. This is not how you draw a circle. Don't make a... If you just want a 50 pixel circle, if you just want a circle... Undo. No, don't. Then this is not the way to do it. Here's the way to do it. I'll go to 10. The way to do it is this. A new function. Called wect. I'm not wect. Ellipse. An ellipse. I don't think that's spelled right, but an ellipse takes in x, a y, a width, and a height. Okay, an x position, a y position, a width, and a height. Okay, let's try that. So let's say ellipse 100, 100, then I don't know, 56 by 56, semicolon. Now the stroke weight affects, as I could say, outline, not the only. So I'm gonna change. Oh no! Help! No, we do. Oh, and I even forgot to put. So, where did my stroke weight go? Stroke weight. An ellipse. What is an ellipse? An ellipse is basically just a portion of a circle. An ellipse is basically just a circle that doesn't have to be completely even. Stroke weight 10. Oh my goodness! What's happening? Help me! Zobel. Stroke weight 10. And then I'm gonna go here and say stroke weight. Oh, help me. The stroke weight 2. I don't know. Okay, so now we have an ellipse on the screen. But I hear you in the comments. Not really. I mean, no, I don't hear you. No one's in the live chat saying this, but I can hear you saying, no, like, make a rectangle. Not really specifically a rectangle, but I chose to use a rectangle. What? It's extremely like ellipse. I actually don't know why I did rect before ellipse. Ellipse before rect, but ellipse. Why am I writing ellipse? Rect. A rectangle is just like a rect. It's just a rectangle. Oh my goodness. This is horrible. Here. I draw rect. Okay, so this is a rect. An X, Y, width, and height. Wait, this is ellipse. No, this is like ellipse, right? So I'm going to go over here to the screen and type this in. Rect 300, 300 to 400, 400. Actually, that's rect. Oh my goodness! $300, 300. 100, 100. Okay, now we have a square. Cool. And let's make a line going from the point to the square. How do we make a line? I know I'm saying way too much, but how do we make a line? This is it. First, it takes the first x, the first x1, y1, x2, y2. So what does this mean? Well, a line is something that goes from one point to another. So this is the first position. This is the second position. So this is the position it starts with. This is the position it connects with. I think that's a good explanation, right? So I'm gonna go to wect and say wect, and okay. Now let's try a wect. A line. Line from 100 from 200 to 300. So look at this cool pattern we made. Look at this. Oh! I forgot! That looks 3D! You can even make a 3D shape. In fact, I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm doing this. Let's do the exact same thing. A line from 200 to what's the bottom point? So that's like 300, 400, 300, 400, comma. And so now we have like, oh, that's sort of 3D. That's sort of 3D. Now I'm gonna end this video right now, just after I show you. I'm gonna end this video right now after I show you this amazing, oh my, amazing thing. Other than this wetting, this 3D, whatever it is. P5 fast reference. P5 is oak / ref wins. Now this allows you to the P5 reference. No, the P5 reference tells you about all these sort of functions. But the one we're looking at is